No, this is my first industrial visit through Welingkar. Well, before this really I had some expectations because I'm belonging to a pharma industry. So wherein this kind of interaction with a manufacturing plant, that to automobile and into that two-wheeler sectors and all, I really didn't have any knowledge about that. So I had a lot of expectations to see the plant, how these bikes and all are being manufactured, how this synchronization process takes place. So I had a lot of expectation through that, and I must say that after the visit, I feel that really to some extent, yes, it has lived up to my expectations. The what kind of knowledge I wanted to gain out of this industrial visit, I was able to grab that. I really enjoyed my tour with this industrial visit also, because I belonging to a pharma industry. Really, frankly speaking, didn't have very knowledge about how a manufacturing automobile industry or a two-wheeler industry works, how that assembly line, because we get to see these vehicles directly at the showrooms and all. So whatever the process is involved in between, I was exposed to this in this industrial visit. The various assembly lines were done, like there were like various brands of Bajaj, like Bajaj Discover, Boxer, Pulsar. So we were exposed to various product line also, how these bikes are being assembled, and then they come out, after testing process, everything is done. So I got an exposure to that. Well, to some extent, yes, I can say yes, it has exposed me, because again, in pharma industry, the working over there is completely different to what I was exposed today. Here, the kind of, the assembly lines, what I've seen, the kind of testing that is done after the bike is, comes out from the process. So really from that, I gained a lot. Yes, frankly speaking, yes, because this is going to definitely be an impetus for the students who are going to come up, because management being it's like not only particular function like marketing or HR, we are getting exposed to various functions. Though we are taking specialization in particular function, so but here, like with the help of these visits and all, we are getting exposed to a lot of other functions. So I think this is a very, very important tool, and it should be inculcated in the course of this Welingkar industrial visits. Like we are like distance learning, this is being a distance learning course. So obviously here, it is Welingkar being completely different from what like other colleges are, because here the kind of activities, the events that are being organized, it is really helping us, a personality development course wise, team handling, a lot of like activities are done looking on these particular aspects, like industrial visits are there, moving based learning sessions are there, debriefing sessions are done after every visits. So it is like, you can say, overall holistic development of a personal or from the prospect point of view, this actually helps a lot. So that is one thing which Welingkar, it takes, makes Welingkar apart from what the other distance learning courses are. So I'm really, very, very grateful that I've joined particular course. So I'm really getting my, whatever time I've invested in this course.